Hey, how's it going? So today we're going to repair and repaint this shoe a little bit. This is how it looked like before, and obviously I cleaned it already, removed the laces. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use masking tape and I'm gonna mask the parts of the shoe that I don't want to get paint on. The inside of the ribcage can get a little bit tricky since it's very hard to access. But just take your time and be patient with it. I'm masking the black part of the ribcage as well, since it looks pretty fine and I didn't want to repaint that. I masked around the toe of the shoe as well, since this plastic is really damaged. I'm using this acrylic leather paint. Make sure to shake it well before use. First I paint the inside of the ribcage, and then I go to the outside. It's okay if the paint is not so even when you spread it the first time, since we're definitely going to make more layers. Layer 1 is ready. You can already see what a huge difference it makes. Doing the same on the other side. Now that the toe is dry, I'm applying the second layer. I'm applying the third layer here on the ribcage. Halfway I decided I'm going to paint the plastic part of the zipper too, so I mask around them and then paint them as well with 2 coatings. Now it's time to wait until it's dry. Okay, so this is the next day. They're already dry. I'm making some space for myself and I filled those little holes, the little tears in the texture with some glue so that they don't tear anymore from the ribcage. I use this Pattex multi-glue. Here I'm using this little piece of sandpaper to sand down the edges of the ribcage so that they don't tear the fabric of the shoe anymore. And now it's time to put on the laces. I just found these laces pretty much laying around at home. I think it's from a Chinese market or something, so I might swap out the laces to something a bit sturdier or better looking in the future. But I thought this white would fit very well with the off-white, the creamish color of the repaint. That's pretty much it. They're both laced, repainted, completely cleaned, and we've prevented other damages to the fabric with the glue. This is how it looks on my feet. Hope you all have a great rest of the day or evening, and see you in the next one.